Yes, right now we all know that Grok free version has been terminated. They have put an end to a Grok free version, which means you can no longer generate your videos using the free version as usual, except you upgrade to Super Grok. I mean, you upgrade to paid plan. But I'm going to show you how you can, I mean, get over that, how you can use it and use it and use it just like before. Okay, just follow me and watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss any step that I'll be showing you. So I'm going to be showing you two ways you can still have access to Grok, even the pro version, and use it for free. Just follow this video step by step. Don't miss any step, because if you miss any step, you might get stuck along the line. You might feel that what I'm saying is not true or it is not real, but it is real. Just follow me as I show you. Okay, let's go there.
So I am right on my full screen. Just pay attention. Yeah. And I want you to understand this. Truth be told, yes, even though there are many tutorials, there are many references to alternative AI video generators or AI content generators. And to be frank, no one can be compared to Grok based on the experience. You can also be a witness. No one can be. I mean, Grok is one of the best AI software I get for video generation, content creation. You understand? Yes. So Grok, but is it the realism? Is it how realistic its generation is? Its result is it how cinematic it looks? I don't think there's any I mean, video generator or content generator you can compare Grok to. Grok is super, and I don't think we can just do without that. So I'm right on my screen. Okay, so I told that I'm going to be showing you two methods you can use to access Grok AI unlimitedly. Okay, so the first method is this. You will uh, you have to, I mean, install Grok on your phone. If you already have a Grok and it is not the latest version of Grok AI, go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Go to Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just Grok. Search for Grok. Search for Grok. My own is showing open, which means it is up to date. Okay. So if your own is showing update, you have to update it. Do you understand? For you to be able to benefit or for you to be able to use what I'll be showing you right now. Okay, and I will also advise if you already logged in, you have to log out and just do this for best results. Just where you have your Grok installed on your phone, just hit on it. That's if you have already signed up before and you have been using it. Yes, you can just hit like long press on Grok. You are seeing app info. Click on app info. You are seeing storage, hit on storage. You are seeing, look at the bottom, you are seeing two menus, clear data and clear cache. Okay, hit on this clear data. Do you understand? If you hit on this clear data, it will remove every information you have used on Grok with your phone. It will sign you out of of your current Google. I mean, the Google account using signing in, it will sign you out. You'll be able to sign in again or sign in with another email. Okay, so just do that. So let's go. Just as I've installed your Grok or updated your Grok, and I've also done what I said, just hit on the Grok app on your phone. To hit on Grok app, you are seeing this message. You can see this message. Try Super Grok free. Try Super Grok free. So that is where the trick comes in. So just hit on try Super Grok free. To hit on try Super Grok free, you are seeing try free for 30 days, for 3 days rather. You are seeing here start 3-day free trial. And after these 3 days, you will be prompted to pay $29.99, which is $30 approximately. Okay, but we are getting to the trick around it. Just hit on start 3-day free trial. I'll hit on it. Now it is showing me to pay 3-day free trial starting March 26th. I'll be paid. That is when the 3 days will elapse. See the trick here. So I've already added my payment method, which is my payment card on my Google. I get on my Google Play. Okay, now let's just read. Cancel anytime in subscription on Google Play. You are seeing where I'm reading by this 1, 2, 3 lines. You won't be charged if you cancel before 26th of March 2026. I am doing this video on the 23rd of March 2026. That means if you cancel before, that means this 3-day free trial will be ending on the 25th for me. I getting, if I'm going for it now, time today is 23rd, you start from that 23rd, you start counting from today, 23rd, 24th, 25th. So on the 25th, okay, what you will do so that they don't attempt charging your card after 25th. Once it crosses 26th, once it is 12 in the midnight, 12 o'clock dot midnight, which is 26th, in that midnight by 12, they will attempt to charge you. Okay, and even if you don't have money in that card they want to charge, they will just record that card as they will shadow ban the card that you can't be making use of it on Grok easily anymore. Okay, so the best thing is on the 25th, just go and cancel the subscription. That means you have used the 3-day free trial. And before you start doing this, make sure you are free. You'll be making good use of that 3 days to do your, mad or massive content creation or video generation. Okay, so after that, cancel it. As I've canceled it, what you will do, still come back to what I did. Just click on your Grok app again, long press on it, click on app information, click on storage, and hit on this clear data. Do you understand? You hit on clear data. Just hit on clear data. All of this application data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, database, etc. This does not affect any other app on your phone. It's talking about all files associated to or related to Grok. Do you understand? Then you click OK. Okay. Once you click OK, they will prompt you to log into Grok again. Do you understand? They will prompt you to log into Grok again. So when you log into Grok again, you'll be logging in with a different email address. Once you log in with a different email address, you'll be given access to 3-day free trial. And you might be wondering, how will I be creating different email addresses? How will I be getting email addresses? Yes, one, if you want to learn how you can create different multiple email addresses without using what they call it mobile phone number, I can also put you through. But for this, I would prefer, there's something we call email variants. Okay, there's something we call email variants. Email variants is just like a different status or different nature of your one particular email. Your email can have up to 1,000 email variants. Do you understand? So if you want that, take comment. I'll show you how to come up with 100, 500 to 1,000 email variants. Imagine you have up to 100, let's even assume 100. You have up to 100 email variants and you are using them to try 3-day free trials. That is 3 times 100, that's 300 days. Do you understand? 300 days. Then if you have 500, that's 500 days. 300 days it's not approximate, it's not getting to it's getting to 300 and it's getting to 1 year. It's more than 6 months. It's up to 10 months. Do you understand? Okay, this is all for the first method. Now the second method, in fact, that is the one I prefer most. I prefer to use the second method, which I'll be showing you now. Okay, so let's go out of here. So the second method is we'll be doing it using X account, formerly known as Twitter. You know that the owner of Twitter is also the owner of X, or Twitter formerly, is the owner of Grok, which is Elon Musk. Okay, so you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download X app, formerly known as Twitter app. So once you download it, I've already downloaded. If your own is already downloaded, still go to what they call it, Play Store again, search for X and check if your own is up to date. If it is not up to date, make sure you update it to the latest version of X so that what I'll be showing you will also work for you. Okay, so this is my X. This is my X account. I'll click on X. Once you click on X, you are seeing this upgrade. You can make use of it, but just hit on this your profile picture up. See my logo up, I'll hit on it. Once I hit on it, hit on profile, I'll hit on profile. So if you hit on profile, you are seeing get verified. You get verified. You hit on get verified. You are seeing premium. Now you check this premium. There's okay. The premium is they are selling it is starting at 7,600. Okay, as it is starting at 7,600, that is per month. It is too high. Do you understand? This is too high. And as it is too high, I'll show you another method. We'll be using browser. The price will change depending on your location. Okay, depending on your location. So you just check this premium. You are seeing Grok AI. Grok AI is part of this. See the advantage of this. You are not actually solving for. You're not actually paying for Grok AI. I get it with this money, but after you have done it, you have full access to Grok AI. Usage limit very high. It's not even high, higher. So you can use it even more than you use free Grok AI before. Do you get? Okay. So you will check now, you see Grok AI, it has it enabled. So you can buy this, but I will be using what they call it. We'll be using what they call it browser version, not the app. The app is showing you 7,000, which is approximately $3.5. No, I'll be showing you where it will not be this. Or you go for this one, what they call it, Premium Plus. You go to Premium Plus, that going for it goes for 38,900. That's not what we are looking at. Nobody, as a starter, you can't be able to afford this. Even as a starter, you can't be able to afford this. So what do we do? Once you have downloaded this X app, just create your account and head over to create your account. Use your email, using your email. Then we head over to Google Chrome browser. Okay, use Google Chrome browser preferably. I'll hit on Google Chrome. Just type x.com. Okay, I'll hit x.com. Yes, this is x.com. What do you do? For here now, it seems I've logged in before. You are seeing sign in as my email. Then if you have not created account, it will show you see or create account. You create account in here, but I'll prefer you just create your account using the app before you come here to do this. So as I have come to the browser, you are going to see sign in with Google. I get it. Sign in with Google. I'll just hit on it. You choose the email address you'll be using. So I'll be using this. That's what the email address you use in creating your X account. That's what you should use. So it is logging me in. It's logging me in. So as thing has logged me in, you are seeing subscribe. You can hit on subscribe, but I would prefer you still make use of go to your profile icon. This is a profile picture here. See my logo. I'll click on it. It will open. You will see hit on profile. Just hit on profile. To hit on profile, you scroll down. You are seeing get verified. You aren't verified yet. Get verified. Click on it. Once you hit on click on it, you are seeing premium plus 30,195 per month. Do you understand? That place on the app, it was showing us at 8,900. And here it is now 30,198, 95 naira rather. That is 30,195. But as a starter, you can't pay this. So that is not where we are coming to. Scroll down again. Now you will see premium. This premium now we saw 7,600. it is now 3,800 per month. So I don't think it is very, very bad. It is what it's I get it. For you to pay 3,800 per month to have what they call it, to have a, a X verified account. So you automatically have X verified account, which will give you an age to get monetized on your X account. Once you are creating and you get to the level of being monetized, that means you have gotten the required views, the required followers, because you are having a verified account, you'll be monetized. Okay, so you are like securing a verified X account, and at the same time now having a full access to Grok AI. Do you understand? You have verified check mark, enhanced Grok access, which is actually what you are looking for. You get? So if you cannot go for that first method, which you can use unlimitedly, you can go with this. So I prefer going with this based on the level I have gotten to, or I have got to in video creation. You understand? So I will prefer going with this. Okay. So if you find this video interesting, if you find it interesting, or you have any question, first drop on the comment section. I'll answer you. If you find it interesting, don't be stingy by not liking the video, by not commenting on the video, by not sharing the video, and by not subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I have a lot to disclose to you. Okay, I'll be creating videos that will, in fact, I'll be blowing your mind, secret that you don't know. And if you have any question, anything related to tech, anything related to online money, anything related to tech skills, how to make money online, just comment. I will create a video in your favor. Okay, so see you in another video. Thank you. Please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe. As you can see, this is just a new channel. Let's grow together even as you learn from what I'll be sharing to you. Thank you. 16.